Now let us discuss question 2. The question is, which of the following component will be suitable for Kjeldahl method for nitrogen estimation? So these four are the figures, the components that are given to us. So we have to find which are suitable for this method. So let us solve. Okay. So in the solution we all know that Jeldan's method is only applicable for the nitrogen, for the component containing nitrogen of the organic compound. But here it is not applicable for the component containing nitrogen in nitro azo groups and nitrogen in rings. Only applicable for organic compound. So here it's not applicable as N nitrogen of these component does not change to ammonium sulfate under these conditions. The condition which was satisfied by Jeldahl's method. So hence the only aniline can be used for estimation of nitrogen by Jeldahl's method, and the correct option is 1. The correct option is 1. This aniline. Thank you. Hope you understood.